Hello, so really quick one. It's not going to be a coding video actually. It's just going to be something I feel very strongly about and I want to tell you about. Um, when you're learning code, I think one of the best tools is ChatGPT or all this AI stuff. It really can sort of accelerate your learning. And now I've been doing Python for almost a decade at this point. And then for me, the benefit I get out of it is like there's a library or something I just don't know about. So what I'm trying to do essentially is pass this JSON here, right? I'm trying to build out a trading system. I'm like, okay, there's several ways you could do this. You just use JSON and like get each of the fields, right? Or you could use something like Pydantic and make a class and then take the JSON and it'll like pass it into the class. I'm like, okay, cool. I've done that before. I know how it's done. But I posed this to ChatGPT, right? And I'm like, okay, use Pydantic or anything else or suggest other options. Now, I just learned something today. I didn't even know about this. There's this thing called message spec. Now, unless I had like professionals around me and stuff, which I don't at the moment, I'm just a dude trying to teach trading who, like I'm just like I used to be in industry, I'm not anymore, and I'm just trying to teach it to the world. But I didn't know about message spec. I just learned, oh, you can use message spec, and it's like way faster than Pydantic. Now, thanks to and it's like it's obvious ChatGPT will do all this for you, right? But I just didn't know that. I didn't know it, and it's awesome. It's so cool. Now I'm gonna use a faster library, right? And I get these like performance things, and it like I can do this all in Python, and I don't have to go to like C Sharp or Rust or Go or something like that to pass things. So anyway, this is my me being very opinionated about things. So I I think like where I stand with it is like, hey, you've got all these tools, just use them. Obviously when you're learning things and you're trying to make muscle memory, don't use it as much, but man, like I like just get good ideas and it's great. And yeah, just to accelerate your learning, use ChatGPT. Okay, that's just the rant. Just a rant. I'll release more coding tutorials, more videos later. I do join the school, but I just wanted to get this off my chest, and hopefully, um, you know, ChatGPT will help you or whatever AI you use.